Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I am going to share with you what I got in my FlipFit box. I have not done a FlipFit box in a good while. I have been wearing some tops that I've gotten from my FlipFit in past YouTube videos and stuff, and I've gotten so many questions about them. So I just wanted to share this again just so that you know where some of that stuff is coming from. I will have my link down below if you're interested in trying it out, and you can actually request anything that I have in this box. I did do a sponsored video with them, but this video is not sponsored by them. I am just doing this one on my own. I like to every now and then show you what I get in my boxes, but I do consistently unbox items in the FlipFit app. If you've never heard of FlipFit, it's basically just like a huge try-on at home. They do a $20 deposit, but that is refunded to you if you end up not purchasing anything. But I do have some skincare, I have some beauty, some clothing to share with you, just kind of a mixture of everything, just to mix it up a little bit. I was planning on doing my shop your closet video today, but I had to postpone that one to Friday because I just needed more time to film it. Those ones just take me forever to make, and I take my time with those because I really like to think them out and everything. If this is your first time here to my channel, I have a new video for you every Monday and Friday. So if you are interested in seeing more from me, don't forget to subscribe and then click that little notification bell as well. That will just remind you every time I have a video up for you. And all of my content is about romantic fashion. I've got unboxings, try-on hauls, shop your closet. If you enjoy that type of thing, click that subscription button. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. This is the pricing information and shipping label. All shipping is free. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, well this was at the top of the box. This is a lifestyle item. This is a candle company. I had never heard of them before, but they do all these just amazing shaped candles. This one is in a unicorn shape. It's not scented, but I probably would need to put this on a plate or something, but I don't think I want to burn it. It's such a pretty little unicorn. It's so random, but I'm always looking for candles, and I think that the price is actually really good. This is a lot bigger than I was thinking it was going to be. Einer candle in purple. Okay, so this is a little bit more expensive. It's $35. I just thought it was really cute. They have a bunch of different really cute animals and other things like this too, but the unicorn just really caught my eye. Okay, so now we're getting into the clothes. This is a dusty blue bodysuit. It is long sleeved, and it does have that smocked material in the back, which I'm all about. It is from Lonnie the Label. It's a size large, and this is $49. If you've been here a while, you know I have been looking for a bodysuit for a long time. I'm pretty sure it's been quite a few months now. I just have not found one that is comfortable. Hopefully this will fit. Oh, it also does have a zipper going all the way down. This will make it so much more easier to get into. I really hope that it fits. Looking at it, I do think that this is going to be my bodysuit. This bodysuit is everything. This color is beautiful. It does kind of fall off the shoulders a little bit, you have to work with it. But as far as the bodysuit, I actually wasn't able to get it shut just because of my bubble butt. I don't know, I just have a really weird figure, and the bodysuits just apparently are not going to work for me. I love the casual look that I'm getting with it, with the tennis shoes and just loose fitting mom jeans and stuff. The neckline is really pretty too. And the sleeves are in that balloon sleeve style, and the material feels really nice. It's very soft and it feels like good quality. You also get that skin showing in the back too, and it is that smock, so it's really easy. And then you also do have the side zipper, so that made it really easy to get in and out of, but unfortunately that bodysuit style just didn't work for me. We have another clothing item, and I think this comes with a set. Yes, it does. On the FlipFit app, they had this kind of bralette and cropped sweater set. This is the little bralette that goes with it, and then it goes underneath this cropped cardigan, and this is just in a really nice loose style. Now the knitting I'll be honest, it doesn't feel like the best quality. Like, it's very thin. The material definitely is going to stretch out. It's not going to last. It's not like super sustainable or anything, but it is like a cheaper way to try out this trend, and I've been really wanting to. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear this on its own as a bralette. It does like definitely stretch out, so I'm probably going to wear like a strapless bra underneath it. We'll see. I'll try it. The knit cardigan set from Crescent in size large. These are together $40. I am going to go try them on and see what it looks like and see if this is something that I might want to look into. Like how the two look layered together. I don't know that I would necessarily be able to wear it like unbuttoned because it's not like, I don't know, like I'm in my 20s. I don't know if I can really pull that off anymore. I'm not a teenager. But I do like how it looks like buttoned up and everything. And as far as like the material of it, it's not like the best quality. It's definitely going to stretch out very easily. And I did have to wear a bra underneath it just to give myself like extra support. So I don't know that I would necessarily go for this. If I found a better quality one, I would try it. But since we're still kind of in a little bit of a colder weather, I don't really see myself wearing this all that much. These are high-waisted leggings. These feel so nice. Oh my goodness, I think these are really affordable too. Size large in the color pink, and these are $24. One of the reasons why I really wanted to get these is because they're in that wide band, just because I feel like they just sit on me better. I'd say that these are really good quality for $24. And I don't think that these would be like super long lasting or anything. I think they would definitely stretch out over time, but I mean, just to kind of hold you over for a couple months. I need more colored leggings like this in my life. I love this hot pink. It's so bright and cheerful. And with a pastel sweater, I think it's so much fun. They are long enough for me. That was the one thing I was concerned about, but I really like where they sit on me on my hips. I don't feel like they're moving around, and that's something that I really look out for with leggings. That's why I like this wide waistband. But the only thing, I feel like you're gonna kind of be able to see lots of lines, and like I'm wearing a lighter pair of underwear and I feel like you can kind of see it. This is another set, so let me grab the other part to it. This is a little crop top and bottom set. It's kind of like a loungewear. These are so cute. I don't have any loungewear sets, believe it or not. Okay, so these are from Lonnie the Label again. I'm really liking this brand. So I believe that they're sold as a set, but let me double check. So they are sold separately. These are the high-rise knit flare pants in size large, and these are $50. I can see that these definitely are higher quality. They do feel luxurious. They're soft, stretchy. They have that band around the waist. It does have elastic in it. The fitted knit tank, I got it in a size large. I probably could have done a medium. This one is $30. I do think that that is reasonable once again because these are high quality. I love the color of these too, but I'm gonna go try them on together and then I will move on to the next item in the box. So I love how this two-piece set ended up turning out. So I just took a bralette and layered it underneath the this bralette, and I really like the layered look. I could definitely get away without wearing it either, especially around the house and stuff. But these are really nice and high-waisted. I thought that I was gonna have like some belly button or something, and I did not want that. This is perfect. It's just a little hint of skin. I definitely see myself getting these because they're really comfortable. I don't have a set like this yet, and I really like this color too. Like, it's definitely making me think of like spring. The length is like almost too short, but for a pair of lounge pants, I think it'd be totally fine. It just feels like really nice quality, and I'm really looking for stuff like this that's not too expensive, but it's actually like made of comfortable material, like not itchy. I've just been really picky about these sets because some of them are really cheap. This one doesn't feel like that. It definitely has some quality to it, and that's what I'm going for. It just can't be too expensive. I do have more clothing, but I really quickly wanted to share the skincare item that I decided to get. I did want to mention with the skincare, if you open it up, you cannot return it. But I know I'm going to like this because I actually have gone through an entire bottle. I went ahead and got it because I needed a refill. A clarifying seed oil cleanser. It really does lather up beautifully on my skin. I also have the mask that goes with this, and it just has been a lifesaver for my skin. This is the clarifying hemp oil cleanser, and it is $19. You get 5.7 fluid ounces, which is a lot of product. I find this to be the best during the summer. In the winter, it can sometimes really strip my face, so I have to make sure I go in with a good heavy moisturizer. The one that I use is Origins. Very excited to have restocked that, as this one is pretty much gone. This one is just nasty. I feel like FlipFit has really good loungewear and really cute just like sweater sets and blazer sets. So this is a hot pink blazer from Skies Are Blue. I got the blazer in a size large, but this looks like it's going to be a perfect fit. It does have a shoulder pad in it, and it's just in that very bright pink color. I hope I'm not blinding you. This is $29, but it does come with these shorts. These are $24. I'm going to go see what these look like styled together. So I really just wanted to keep this very casual, so I just stuck a tank top underneath it and then paired it with my tennis shoes, and this is such a fun, different look. It definitely feels like a Barbie outfit or something just because of this bright color, but the quality of this is amazing. I could definitely see myself getting into outfits like this. I think I actually like it a lot more than I was thinking too. Looking at the shorts, it looks like this would have a zipper, but it actually doesn't. It just has the elastic in the back. The quality of this blazer and short set is really good. Like, it just feels really soft. I am glad that I stuck with the size large because I think the medium would have not been so comfortable. This just feels very chill and relaxed, and I just feel very comfortable walking around in it. This is a lot bigger than I was thinking. It is a sweater vest. So this is the oversized side slit vest from Design Studio. It is in one size, color beige, and this is $50. This is definitely higher quality. Yeah, so the side slit thing is throwing me off a little bit, but I do think that it's really cute. I like the color too. I think a better description of the color would be like a soft cream. Really like this sweater because it's something that I can use as a layering piece. So it's something that I'm gonna really have to play around with, but I'm seeing it more so with like a belt on top of a dress or something like that. But it is something that's just nice to have as like a transition piece from the winter into spring. And this material is really nice. Like it has this thick cable knit style in the front, and it does come with those side slits. It just makes it a really great piece to have to kind of complete an outfit, and that's kind of what I'm looking at it as. I'm really into the layers right now, and I feel like this is something that could really do something. Like, I really have to show you, but I definitely have some very creative ideas kind of going around in my mind right now on how I want to make this a very essential piece in my closet. It's just like really soft and buttery to the touch. I feel like that's the best way to describe it. It just feels really nice and heavy, but just that perfect essential piece if you really like this vest trend. For some reason, when I was putting this box together, I had unicorns and rainbows in my mind or something. I don't know. So I got these glitter pots. It's called Unicorn Snot. It's glitter gel for face and body. These are $10 for each little pots, and they are 1.7 fluid ounce. So I'm gonna open up this pink one. We'll see if I feel like it's worth that. I really like the packaging though, and the brand name, Unicorn Snot. I feel like this is such a junior high thing or teenager thing, I don't know. Oh my goodness, I am so scared. Oh, it's like a jelly. The glitter is definitely a little bit more chunky, and it does like dry down, and my skin feels nice and soft. But I don't think that there's any skincare benefits to this. I don't see this being like super beneficial or anything. And apparently I'm keeping this one now because I opened it, but I had to show you. It's so cute. Like, I mean, there is so much glitter going on right now. I can't handle it. I'm not sure what you would use this for, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon on Friday in my shop your closet video. Bye.